ביאור משנה. Explanation for משנה. על אלו הצרות המפורטות להלן, and all these troubles that are going to be said further on, מתריעין, you make the תרועה, not just the תרועה, מתענים ותוקעים בשופרות, we both fast and blow the shofars, בכל מקום, in every place. אפילו במקומות הרחוקים, even in the faraway places. So let's take an example. If you are in Be'er Sheva, and in Be'er Sheva there's a famine, there's no rain. But in all the Galil, in the north of Israel, there's plenty of rain. Yerushalayim, there's plenty of rain. Tel Aviv, there's plenty of rain. So the guys in Yerushalayim and Tel Aviv can think, Be'er Sheva is too distant. It's not part of us. So no. The country has to fast, as a whole country, just because of that place. So what do we do? Ala shidafon. When there's a shidafon. What's shidafon? Shidafon hitiyabshut התבואה על ידי רוח קדים או שרב. Shidafon means that the plants grew, the vegetation grew, the wheat grew, but then it became a chamsin, and everything dried up. In other words, now it's too late for anything. You can't use this one and you can't plant. It's too late for it, for the whole thing. So if there's a shidafon anywhere in the country, the entire country is going to fast. Ve'al hayerakon, also on yerakon, when there's a kind of we're going to see what yerakon, wilting it's called. Yerakon is wilting, I think, in English. מחלת התבואה שהיא מוריקה, מציבה ונכמשת. The grains becomes like moldy, it becomes like soft, too wet. You can call it whatever you want. Yeah. Al ha'arbe, if there's going to be locusts coming, ve'al ha'chasil, and there's two kinds of locusts. Hamashchitim et התבואה ופירות, that they come around and they eat everything. And also ve'al chaya ra'a, also on bad animals that come. Lions come and killing and so on and so forth. Wolves, whatever it is. שנראית ביום במקום יישוב וטורפת בני אדם. But not when the lion is in the wild. When the lion comes into the city and eats somebody. ועל החרב, also you have to fast when there's going to be a חרב, and we're going to see. חרב doesn't necessarily mean war. It doesn't necessarily mean war. For example, if, let's say, Europe decides that they want to go and fight Egypt, and they come through your land, they travel through your land to go to Egypt. It's not you're not in the war, but you're just traveling through it. Just the fact that there's an army traveling through your land, that's it. It's already considered to be. This is an army that passes from one place to another place. Even if they don't come to fight against that particular city, but they go through it to another city. So in all these examples, you blow the shofars, which means you both fast and blow. Because this is an army moving is in itself like locusts coming. It's the same thing. What do you think? If there's war in Egypt, it's going to affect you? It's going to affect you. Yeah. And once you start to have a neighboring war, it's going to come into your... So you have to fast immediately.